Hello everyone, this is TKN. I don't even remember my name. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to delete System32 the right way. Every single tutorial I've watched, it always doesn't work. I don't know why, but I got the solution. And here is it. I've tried putting it into a TikTok, but it was so short that I couldn't do it like the whole thing. So it feels a lot more relaxing to just do it in a full video. Okay, so here we go. So first what you're gonna do is you're going to go into File Explorer, okay? And you're gonna click this PC, local disk, and then right here you're going to find System32 in Windows folder. And here we go, right here, right click that and click Properties. Now in Properties you will do anything to give access. So things like turn off read only, click on security, this is the most important part. Click advanced, and you see how it says trusted installer? It won't let you delete it because it's on this. So click change, and you'll have to type in your name, and click check names when you type in your username. It'll recognize it. Click OK, and once you do that, it'll change to a number, and then click replace owners on sub counters and objects. And now what you're going to do now is just replace everything to full control. Now what I mean by that is click everything. Oh, you have to click apply first. You have to change ownership of everything. Some things might not work though, for some reason. Okay, it should tell you this when you successfully do it. So after that, you're going to leave, and you click back in. And what you're going to do now is change everything to full control. What? Okay. So you have to click, so when you go into advanced, you click change permissions. And after that, you have to click everything, click edit, add full control. Edit, full control. So for some of these, it says read and execute. You have to click edit and just click this. It automatically puts everything. Okay, full control. Full control. Okay, and now once you do that, click apply. Okay, and after you do that, you're still going to click this. Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Click apply. Yes, yes. So after you do that, you now just changed everything, and I'm pretty sure you have everything done. And now you just took ownership of everything on System32 file. And it does, as you can see, it doesn't show a admin shield anymore like it would, which means you don't even need admin permission to delete System32. But actually, I don't think it works when you try to delete it now. So you'll have to go to command prompt. If it'll load. And now you're going to go to CMD, right click this, and click run as administrator. Should ask you to open, yes, open this. Okay, now what you're gonna do now is you're going to do cd/d and then type in c/Windows. Click that and you'll be put in the Windows directory. And then you're going to do dir/x. No, you don't even need to do /x. You don't need to do, you don't need to do the C:, you just got to do /x. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to do rmdir/q/s System32. And then it'll start deleting things. It says access is denied for some reason, but it deletes a lot more things than you think. So yeah, when it says access is denied, I think those are just the problems that it runs into. It deletes a lot of other things though. So now you just wait a couple minutes or something, and once you're done, yeah. Once it's done, it'll say this message, and the command won't be on the taskbar anymore, and that shows that it finished. And after that, you'll check. If File Explorer does open though, either it didn't work or you just need to reboot your PC. But if it doesn't open and nothing, okay, this opens. This might just be, nope. Alright, and now, that opens. Alright, and now you just have to reboot your PC now. So I'm going to click X. No, I'm going to click machine, then reset. Okay, and then when you click reset, you'll now wait. There you go, preparing automatic repair. They're going to try to repair the computer. Okay, it's going to show the Windows Vista startup for some reason. I don't know why. And now you'll be waiting. And now you have an old cursor at the setup screen. You get this cursor when you're at the setup screen too. Which is funny. And now I don't think anything works at this point. I'll tell you if there's any updates on what happened. So as you can see, it's now diagnosing my PC to see what's going on. What is the problem? What happened? I wonder what happened. Maybe somebody deleted System32. Okay, it's now attempting repairs. It's going to attempt to repair the computer. Alright, boom. Automatic repair cannot repair your PC. Oh, what? The log files on System32. That's kind of ironic. Okay. And now you can just try anything. I don't think anything will work. Okay. It has like a refresh rate of like 1 hertz. Okay, you can reset your PC, you can turn it off, or you can just continue. Or you can just continue and see what will happen. Nothing will happen though. You delete System32 and you just broke your computer. Or your virtual machine if that's what you're trying to do. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, it's happening again. It's happening again. Okay, I'm just going to end it. Goodbye, everyone.